Here you go.
Alright, thank you, man.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much for letting me spend the night, man.
It's no problem at all. Mi casa es su casa. We're honestly just lucky that my mom said yes.
Did you live by yourself?
Yeah. Well, anyways, do you mind if I play some rain sounds? It helps me fall asleep.
Not at all. Go ahead. Yeah.
Sweet.
Oh, hey. Oh. In the jungle.
For a lot of parking in the new lot.
I'm not letting you take down these trees!
Hey, you can't be here!
I can do whatever I want to save the earth!
Young lady, get out of here! Purple tank getting in my face and I have no idea you're right about that! You always bring so much
Charlie, cut down these chains and cut down this tree!
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
Stop, stop, stop. What are you doing?
Oh my god, what are you doing?
Who's screaming?
There's a dude in the trees!
Oh!
Want a break from the ads? If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music.
Hey, I'm gonna grab some water. Do you want some? You alright, dude? What's going on? Oh, crap. That's my bad, dude. I forgot to get you a blanket. I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
Yes, really. If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music.